Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I love makeup. I focus on indie and affordable brands, so if that's what you're into, please keep watching. Alright, you guys, so I've been trying to figure out like what am I going to do today? What makeup am I going to do? What palette am I going to use? I don't have any new palettes, so we're going to visit some old ones, or an old one today at least, and probably tomorrow as well, because on the rare occasion, my husband took the day off, so he'll be off Saturday and Sunday, which means those are my days off, which means I can film for 2 days in a row, hopefully. So, today, I think we're going to go with the Bella Beauté Bar Strange and Unusual palette. This is an awesome, awesome palette. She just somehow got pushed back in one of my drawers, and I was just thinking about what palette to use today, and I think this is it. So, also, the best news ever, Beauty Bay is coming back. They went away for a while. It was kind of scary because I adore Beauty Bay. They have some fantastic products. Their palettes are top notch. So hopefully they come back soon, better than ever, and I cannot wait to try their new stuff. All right. Carbonation break. How are you guys doing? I promise I'm going to get started in a second. So you put these in the freezer and they get kind of like frozen, and it's fantastic. It's like the best carbonated slushie ever. Okay. I need to focus. I'm going to put a little something on my lips. These are just the Beauty Creations Balm and Cute tinted lip balms. I got these a long time ago at Marshall's for $4. Just take this one right here. In the shade Rose. And, alright, sorry, my mirror got like all kinds of messed up. This also kind of smells like rose. That's crazy. Okay, so yeah, I just needed some moisturization on the lips. Alright, so let's get started. I have too much stuff on my pile of palettes in front of me, so I just need to move some stuff around. Alright, so let's get started. We're going to start with this purple shade Beetlejuice right here. And we're just going to pack that in the crease. We're going to do two different looks. We are throwing it back, you guys, how I used to do things in the good old days. So it's been like a rough couple weeks. Like Indy's had something going on with her tummy. Called the vet, got her put on one medication, but that didn't work. And then the vet's like, we'll bring her in. I'm just going to take, there's nothing on this brush. I just kind of want to like blend that out a little bit. Then the vet's like, bring her in. So the vet did a little check. She's like, yeah, there's, I don't know, like her tummy feels okay. You know, let's try this. So we've got her on an antibiotic right now. She was doing okay. Then she had like a little bit of a soft stool, and then seems like she's doing better again. So hopefully we are finally on the road to recovery. I'm just gonna like take whatever's on this and just put it on the lower lash line. But yeah, it's been a rough couple weeks. It's just really, really stressful. Cause I'm like, I was like so worried, cause I'm like, I don't know what could be causing this, cause they did like a fecal sample and it came back negative, and I'm like, there's no way, because this isn't normal for her. Like, what could be causing this? What's going on? So I think we're finally on the right track. I'm gonna go in with the shade Adam, and we're just gonna put that on the outer corner of the lid. And we're like our weather is so crazy. It is like hot one day in the 70s, and then the next day, like, I kid you not, it's in the 30s, and it has just been wild. It's like you never know what's gonna happen, what's coming. All right, you guys, I am just, if you see me looking around, I'm looking for this, and then I've got like a hair hanging down from a brush or something. Looking for my glitter glue. We're gonna put that on. Yeah, it has just been, the last couple weeks have just been so weird. Sorry, there's literally like a hair. I don't know if it's an indie hair, me hair from my brushes, but I can like feel it like tickling my lip, and it's just driving me crazy. Okay, so I am looking for my little brush that I use to do my shimmer shades. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna go in with this shade Lost Souls right here. That really pretty green shade. I actually like that. It would look really, really cool with the purple. And of course, it's not really, it's a flippy shade. So you think it's one color and then it tricks you. I've used this palette before. I should know that. But that's okay. It still looks really cool. I really like it. I am just way too far back from my mirror. Like, I can't see-ish. Like, literally, I can't see anything. I mean, it's kind of greenish. It looks cool, though. I like it. So now I want to take the shade... what did I thought this through earlier, and then I already done forgot what I was gonna do. Let's go with, yeah, we're gonna do the shade Afterlife and put that in the center. Because, you know, I like doing that. Just like adding a little something different. There we go. That's what it needed. All right. Now I need a little lower inner corner highlight. So I'm going to go with the shade Sandworm right here. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, you guys. So, one eye done. Now let's get started on the other eye. So now we're gonna start with the other Beetlejuice shade. This really pretty green right here. That grungy, murky green. All right, you guys, so hair update. I wash my hair 3 days a week now. I went from doing it 4 days a week to 3 days a week. I'm getting used to it. This is day 2 hair. Tomorrow's gonna be day 3 hair before I wash it tomorrow night. I'm doing better with day 2, but it's like day 3, day 3 is hard for me. And then also, like, again, I'm just gonna take a brush with nothing on it and just blend this out. I have to like every day, because I've tried to just kind of like put a little deep conditioner on and like refresh my curls, but it just doesn't like go right. So I have to like redo my bangs, like wet them, blow dry them, then re-straighten them instead of just trying to re-straighten them, because it just does not work right. And then sorry, I just need a little bit more of that Beetlejuice shade on because there wasn't much left. I'm gonna have to put it on the lower lash line. But I have to like wet my hair, comb through it, and then I can like apply new product, or else it just looks too messy. And when I have to go to work 5 days a week, I just can't have that. So that's what I'm doing, but it's still, I'm only washing it 3 days a week, which is better. I do feel like the color's faded, but I don't feel like it's like a bad fade. The weird thing about my hair is it usually will, like, no matter what color I dye it, like even when I dye it black, when it fades to like a red shade. So I think that's actually working to my advantage right now. We're gonna take the shade Adam like we did on the other end, just put on the outer corner of the lid. But yeah, so I think that's actually playing to my advantage. Next time, I think, just because I want it just like a little deeper, I might go a little more violet with a little less red just to see how it looks. Because I'm just curious to see how that would work. But I really do, I am enjoying this color. And I've, you know, not washing your hair every day is supposed to be better than washing it every day. So hopefully it's helping my hair be healthier as well. All right, we're gonna take NYX glitter glue, put that down. Because I think we did my hair, has it been 3 weeks? Maybe 3 weeks ago. Don't really remember. I think it was about 3 weeks. Gotten that to the age where I can't remember anything. But yeah, I think it was on the 21st. So today is the 14th of March. So that'd be 3 weeks, right? I think. So yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. It's faded a little, but not much. I can't complain. All right. Now we're gonna go with the shade, Delia. And we're gonna put that on the lid. That's really pretty. A true purple shade. I can't see that green as much. I probably should have put a little more of that down, but that's okay. Maybe I'll do that. Just know in that Beetlejuice shade and the green shade, and just kind of put it a little more. I think I still had some of that black shade on. It's okay. It's okay. All right, now I'm gonna take this shade. Oh, we're going Witch Doctor. The shade Witch Doctor, and put that in the center of the eye. Ooh. Okay, that I really like that. Okay. All right, now we're gonna put a lower inner corner highlight on, and we're just gonna put that same shade, Sandworm, right here. All right, you guys. I like that. All right, so, going to do some eyeliner mascara and I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. If you know, you know. Okay. Let's do, let me fix my lower lashes because what in the world? All right. Sorry, I got a little speck of something on my face. Okay, let's do a final look. So I feel like it's been a minute since I've done like a really fun, colorful look, and I definitely missed it. I love this so much. I feel more like me. I just can't really do this during like the week because of my job. But yeah, I really like it. This is fun. I feel like I'm scared to be like, I feel like I'm coming back because every time I start to feel like things are okay, something horrible happens, and that's literally how my life goes. So I'm scared to be like, I feel a little better. So I don't know. But I do enjoy this look. I like it a lot. So you guys, this is the Bella Beauté Bar Strange and Unusual palette. I do have an affiliate code with Bella Beauté Bar. It's my first name, Ashley, A-S-H-L-E-Y. If you want to help me out, you want to pick something up from Bella Beauté Bar, use my discount code if you'd like. No pressure. Don't feel like you have to. You save 10%. I get a little back. It's not a whole lot, but every little bit helps. So I'm just throwing that out there. If you want to pick something up and you want to use my discount code, I would appreciate it, but don't feel like you have to. So you guys, here's the Strange and Unusual palette. She is absolutely gorgeous. I love Bella Beauté Bar. They have awesome palettes. Their formula is fantastic. So you guys, that is it. Do me a favor, comment anything down below. My videos, I can't post as often. About once a week I can get a video up. But the algorithm, YouTube wants you to give everything that you have, and if you don't post multiple times a week, they don't push your content out. I've had so many people tell me lately, like, hey, I didn't even know you posted. I didn't even get a notification. I'm like, yeah, it's because I can't post as often, so YouTube does not share my content. So to help me out, comment anything down below, repost this video, share it, whatever. That really helped me out. I appreciate you guys so much. Remember, you're beautiful, loved, and amazing. Have a wonderful day, night, morning, evening, whatever it is, wherever you are, and I'll see y'all in the next one.